You got paid on Friday. It felt great. But now it's Tuesday, and somehow you're staring at $47 in your checking account. I'm talking to people who make decent money, $40K, $50K, maybe $60K a year. You pay your rent, you aren't reckless, yet every month ends in that exact same mental math at the self-checkout line, hoping your card clears. School taught us how to solve for X in a triangle, but nobody handed us a manual for what to do the second a direct deposit hits a bank account. So we wing it. The reality is you're likely losing around $400 every single month. It vanishes into untracked, completely invisible spending blind spots. Reclaiming that cash doesn't take a massive, complicated budgeting spreadsheet. It takes one simple system audit that you can set up right now on your phone in about 30 minutes. There are 5 specific spending leaks draining your paycheck. Pay attention here, because you need to pinpoint exactly which ones are bleeding your account. This mock-up banking interface shows the first leak, subscription creep. We know we pay for Netflix, but filtering down to microcharges reveals forgotten $7 add-ons and $12 free trials. On autopilot, these tiny fees quickly stack up into $70 a month. Leak number 2 is the convenience tax. This is the money you pay purely for friction. DoorDash fees because you didn't want to drive. The vending machine at work because you didn't prep a snack. Then there's social spending. You go out for a friend's birthday, get a side salad, and still split the $200 check evenly. It's unbudgeted cash disappearing to group expectations. Daily frictions and social expectations quietly erode your baseline wealth before the month really begins. Daily friction is only half the problem. The real damage happens when we zoom out and look at systemic blind spots. Stop right here. Pause this video, open your mobile banking app, and look at your actual transaction history. Go straight to the search bar and type in the word subscription or recurring. You are hunting for the lowest hanging fruit. Find the services you haven't used in the last 30 days and cancel them. Do it right now. Taking this immediate action stops passive drain and reclaims the first fraction of your stolen income. Now we implement the permanent mechanical fix for remaining leaks, an automated pay-yourself-first system. Navigate to the Transfers tab inside your checking account, or open up your high-yield savings app if you have one. This flowchart maps the setup. Select Transfers, set to recurring, input a fixed $50, and time the trigger to payday. When that money detaches and locks away automatically, your brain recalculates. It looks at the shrunken balance left and treats it as your absolute limit. You starve the convenient spending and the lifestyle creep of funds before you have a chance to spend them. The automation executes the discipline for you. By hitting confirm on that transfer, you've moved past financial guesswork and established your first automated guardrails. Compare this 30-second setup to the tedious chore of trying to manually categorize every coffee receipt or search for lost transactions. You get to watch your net worth quietly stack up in the background, and you can still go out to dinner with your friends without guilt. But now that you have real surplus cash accumulating in that vault, you face a new problem: determining the mathematically optimal way to put that money to work. Should you aggressively wipe out your existing debt, or start investing that surplus immediately? Click the video on screen and we will break down the exact math to make that decision.